Putting in syncopation, steel sparks fly, no hesitation. Machines are humming with precision, workflow flowing in this dimension. Bolts and nuts align with flair, wrench in hand, no room to spare. Robots dancing in a metal ballet, dangerous knives to the relay. In the heart of factories we find melodies of labor intertwined. With every piston, pump and roar, feel the rhythm evermore. Conveyor belts like river stream, producing dreams in every scene. Hydraulic arms extend and clasp in the symphony of metal and brass. With skill and grace, precision cutting, setting the pace. Sizzle of welding, lighting the air, harmony in the industrial blare. Steel and circuit come alive, in a place where sparks will thrive. Echoes of creation, some loud underneath the smoggy shroud. Conveyor belts like river stream, producing dreams in every scene. Hydraulic arms extend and clasp in the symphony of metal and brass. The humming with anticipation.